Okay, so we test a lot of gadgets at Beebom, like a lot. And at this point, if any gadget has to impress us, it seriously needs to do something extraordinary. And this smart lock has done exactly that. Seriously, I'm not kidding. This is the brand new Native Lock Ultra by Urban Company, and this is literally the peak of smart locks. I mean, I've been using smart locks at my place for over 3 years, but the moment I saw this, I was genuinely impressed. And in this video, I'll tell you everything from what you get in the box to the installation process to all the features, and most importantly, is there any hidden catch that you should know about? So without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started. First of all, this is the box it comes in, and when you open it, you see the front panel, which looks quite cool. And there's also this massive steel mortise. You also get a couple of rechargeable batteries, there's RFID cards, mechanical keys, and also this very interesting doorbell connect module. The installation process is quite simple, to be honest. Since it's an Urban Company product, the installation person came and first checked the door. The door needs to be wooden and it should be anywhere between 30 mm to 90 mm in thickness. Since everything was fine at my place, he simply removed the old lock and cut the spaces for mortise and panels, connected everything and fully installed it. The entire process took around 1 to 2 hours, but once it got installed, it was looking absolutely stunning. I mean, it doesn't even look like a lock. It looks more like a futuristic door handle in a tall and sleek form factor that adds a lot of personality to the door. The color that we have with us is the dark grey one, but there's also this mocha color available as an option. I also like the fact that it doesn't have a typical smart lock vibe, and there's also no flashy branding anywhere. Nice. And it's not just the looks, the build quality is also solid, and it should be because it's a lock after all. The front panel feels sturdy, the back panel feels properly engineered, and inside you get this reinforced steel mortise with not 1, not 2, not 3, but 5 ultra strong bolts. Now that I've told you about the design and the installation, let me tell you the most fun part, all the different ways to unlock this. First is obviously the normal physical key, but you won't be using it at all. It's good for emergencies though. Second way of unlocking is through these RFID access cards. They work just like your hotel room key cards, but again, you won't be needing them much. Third is the fingerprint unlock, which is quite common by the way. You can just place your finger here and it unlocks instantly. It's fast, it's accurate, and you can store up to 100 fingerprints, which is more than enough to accommodate all your family members. Then there is the password unlock. The moment you touch here, the numbers appear on the lock. You just type in the password and it's unlocked. Now all that is pretty standard stuff. You can find that in literally any other smart lock. But the next feature, this is where things get super interesting. I'm talking about face unlock. Yes, your door now has face recognition. There's actually a camera and an IR module hidden here, which does proper 3D face mapping, so it works even in complete darkness. And it also doesn't work with just the photos. Trust me, I tried. The unlock speed is ridiculously fast, as you just have to walk up to the door and within half a second it's unlocked. It's very useful when your hands are full after shopping. You can store up to 50 faces here, which is great for families or even small offices. And finally, you can unlock the door using the Urban Company app as well anytime you want. And the amount of control you get in the app is just mind-blowing. You can enable child lock, give temporary access to house help, cooks, drivers, guests, and you can even choose when exactly they can enter. So for example, if your cook comes between 9 AM to 10 AM, you can literally limit the access to only that time. And this works in all the scenarios, whether they are entering through a PIN or a fingerprint or any other way. This is actually super practical and much better than hiding your keys under the mat or giving it to your neighbors. Plus, you can also see the entire history of activity. The app shows how the door was unlocked, and it also shows photo for every doorbell too, which is nice. One more thing I want to highlight is that this is not just a smart lock, it's in fact a full-fledged smart security system too. Because first, you can view the live video feed directly from your phone anytime, anywhere. And second, the camera has a 180-degree field of view, so you can properly see what's happening outside your door. And finally, there's two-way talk support, so you can directly talk to whoever is standing outside your gate.
Sorry sir. Okay, don't do it again.
And remember the doorbell connect module that I showed you earlier? This is honestly one of my favorite features because it's so much more intuitive than pressing that little icon on the lock. Basically, you can connect your existing doorbell to this lock, so when someone rings your bell, you instantly get a notification on your phone. Then you can just go to the app, you can see the person, talk to them, and even unlock the door remotely if required. For example, imagine a parcel arrives when you're away. If they just ring the bell, you will get notified and you can literally talk to the delivery guy, ask them to place the order somewhere, and also share the delivery OTP. Finally, if I talk about the battery, here also Urban Company has done something special. Where most smart locks use AA batteries, this one comes with two rechargeable 5000 mAh battery packs. You can charge them via USB Type-C, and one battery can last for 45 to 90 days depending on the usage. And when battery gets low, you get alerts on the app, on WhatsApp, and even on the lock itself. Plus, there's a hidden USB Type-C emergency power port at the bottom. So even if the battery dies completely, you can temporarily power it using power bank and unlock the door. Now with smart locks, one concern people always have is the security. But Urban Company has done some genuinely smart things here. See, in a lot of smart locks, the unlocking motor is placed on the front panel itself, which means if someone somehow damages the front panel, the lock mechanism is exposed. But here, the unlocking hardware is actually placed on the inside panel, which instantly makes it way more secure. And even if someone tries to hammer down the door, the bolt still stays secure in the strike plate. Urban Company also claims that their smart lock is 100 times more secure than other smart locks out there. You also get temper alerts and even door left open alerts. Basically, if anything suspicious happens, you immediately get notified. And yes, the lock also triggers an alarm sound. There are also lurker alerts. So if someone suspicious is walking outside your home for a long time, you'll get notified for that too. And if you're wondering about support, since it's Urban Company, you get professional support, servicing, and even a 3-year unconditional warranty. This honestly gives a lot of peace of mind for something that's literally protecting our home. The Urban Company Native Lock Ultra has launched in India for just 24,999. And for the price, this is certainly one of the best smart locks that I've ever tested. So yeah, that's it from my side. But do you think about this smart lock? Tell me in the comments. And if you guys have any questions about this smart lock or smart locks in general, feel free to ask me in the comments and I'll answer them. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Good night, guys.